Welcome to McPlum, simple solutions served daily.
You start by confirming prerequisites. You must have an admin role, a valid API token, and a service account with the Data Store Alpha permission. Once confirmed, open the Management Console or CLI you use for control plane changes. Enter the environment identifier and attach the token. This authenticates you and prevents later permission errors. Make sure network routes and firewall rules allow the management endpoint. Once authenticated and network ready, you're ready to issue the first enable command to the Data Store Alpha feature. You now execute the enable sequence. Run the enable command with the alpha flag and the environment ID. This initiates the alpha feature bootstrap. Next, apply your configuration file, include storage class, replication factor, encryption keys, and any namespace bindings, so the store is provisioned correctly. Watch the orchestrator logs and health endpoints for phase status updates. Expect multiple reconcile cycles. If validation fails, the logs will show which resource needs correction before the feature can fully initialize. You finish by validating the active data store, perform read and write tests, measure basic latency, and confirm replication is healthy. Once satisfied, either promote the alpha configuration towards stable or document why you'll remain in alpha for further testing. If something goes wrong, first check RBAC rules and service account scopes, then verify quota limits and node connectivity, because misapplied permissions or exhausted resources are the most common causes. Finally, rerun the enable sequence after fixes.
Thanks for watching. Stay juicy and subscribe.